Looking to shed some extra pounds? Here are some essential tips for weight loss that can help you reach your goals. 1. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. This can help control hunger and boost metabolism. 2. Incorporate more fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet. Fiber keeps you feeling full for longer. 3. Get enough sleep. Inadequate sleep can disrupt your body's hunger hormones, leading to overeating. When it comes to diet, focus on portion control and mindful eating. Be conscious of what you're consuming and aim for a balanced diet that includes lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Try using smaller plates to control portion sizes. This simple trick can help you eat less without feeling deprived. Incorporating these tips, making smart dietary choices, and implementing small tricks can contribute to successful weight loss. Remember, it's about making sustainable lifestyle changes for long